welcome back to my YouTube channel, codesurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, we'll do some practice of program, like what we have learned in previous videos till now, I would say. So we'll do some practice of those things. So in today's video, we'll see how we can swap the values of two variables. There are two ways to doing this. I said there could be more, but the first way is that you can do it with the help of a third variable, and the second way is basically like swapping the values. You don't have to use the third variable without uh, after a long time. So third variable PLE. So yeah, this is what we are gonna do. So before starting the program, you can try it yourself by while you can pause the video here, and then after you can see how we can do this thing, and that's what we are gonna do in this video today. So let's get started with that. First of all, we'll do our regular stuff. Hash include stdio.h, as usual, the header files that we used to write. And there will be int main here again. Let's go down and return 0. That is the basic program, and now let's start. So I'll declare a first variable and initialize it to value 10, that is a. Let's go with the second one, integer b equals to 20, and yep, that's all for now. We'll use integer c afterwards, but still we'll keep it here and make it a comment so it doesn't bother us in the program. So first thing we'll do after this is to print the values so that we can have a look on the stuff. So a equals to percentage d, I would say, and we put this line here with print the percentage d again to print b. Let's put the values a and b here and the semicolon. Control C, Control V here again. Now the main thing that we are gonna do is just between these two printf statements, I would say. So this program is, we are not using the third variable, so how we can use it? So we'll do simply a equals to, we will give the values to each other by adding and subtracting the numbers. So a equals to a plus b here. Let's do the comments so we get it more clear. So if I'm just printing a equals to, now the value of a is 10 plus 20, so it will be 30. So as you know, the assignment operator, what it does, it will add these values and it will put the value in, it will assign the value to a. So now in this section, the value of a is being changed to 30 than 10. So now if I'll try to print a, it will be 30. The next step is b equals to a minus b. Now why that? As we know that we changed the value up there, so now the value of a is 30 minus 20 equals to 10. So the first thing that we have achieved here is we have given the b value, the 10, the value of a. And now the last and the final step is again printing a equals to a minus b. Now what is this? So again a here, it will go to 30 minus 20, and here we are getting our answer. Now sorry, the p is changed to 10, and here we'll get 20 now. So this is the reason of this logic. We can say the program usually works on the logics that you create. So this is the logic of not using any third variable to swap the values. And let's print it. We already printed it, so we'll run the program directly, and there should be no error. And that, let's just put a slash n here to make it clear. So you can see here the value of a is 10, value of b is 20, and here they are swapped. This looks like magic, but it's just a matter of logic that we put here. So I'll put this thing in the comment. So if you want, you can just copy it anyhow, and there we go. Now the best part is we'll use the third variable now. Everything would be same, just the logic will be different. It's the simplest thing I would say with using the third variable. It's c equals to a equals to b, and then b equals to c again. Now you can simply have a look on this. A's value is 10. It is transferred to c, so now the c is 10. Now a's value is now changed to b's, that is 20 here, that we have already gained. And now c was 10, so it is transferred to b. Let's run the program again, and let's see if we got that. So yeah, we've got the same thing again. A equals to 10, b equals to 20, and they are swapped. So this was all for this video. Now I'm planning to put a playlist of the programs with which we can rub our mind and try the logics to see how the programs work. So there will be a whole new playlist like this. So do subscribe the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.